Collins, not Bootsy Collins. This one is a lot less groovy. Multiplication, division, ages 7 through 9. A book printed in full Technicolor. Your stars are at the front. You might have seen them in the other Collins books. This is just book of multiplication, 32 pages. Nothing too complicated. Read the instructions and do the task. Now, what's quite funny is they go from very kind of simple graphic exercises to these sections where they have games and for multiplication and whatnot, and the instructions are quite involved. So I guess it teaches kids to understand and comprehend the instructions and kind of try to replicate them in these various games. And there's a game on every page. I guess they're trying to keep it engaging. I'm not sure it works that much, but the exercises are good, quite varied. So this is definitely not your rote learning, although there is enough repetition to sync some of the multiplication concepts. There's quite a big jump here from what we'd call kind of the small multiplication up to 12 by 12 to multiplication by 10 and 100 in the last few pages, and division. It's quite a lot of content for just 32 pages. You see here numbers up to several thousand. That is just not enough space and content to get those concepts sunk and understood properly. You need a magnifying glass for the answers, which is not ideal. But at £4 retail, it's not terrible. It's just that the content is a little bit all over the place. So how do we score this? Learning objectives, 6. Could be better. There's just too much in one book. Usability is fine. The answers need to be bigger. It's gonna be absolute pain in the proverbial, because you have these small answers and you also kind of have them mashed together, so working out what's what is not going to be terribly easy. That could be done a little bit better. Production is fine, actually. Nothing to complain about. In the past I've been quite vocal about how Collins do it, but actually you get used to it rather quickly. Impact, will they learn? Yes, they will. Work through it. Value is pretty good. 32 pages, full color print, high page coverage in color, which the printers will definitely cost up. So we have this at 38, if I'm counting right. 16, 22, 29, 38 indeed. So that's not a bad effort from Collins. You might just want to grab a copy. I'll put a link down in the description and see if this is something that would help you. Obviously do all of the YouTube jazz, click the likes and subscribes and whatnot, but I hope to see you in the next one. This was Collins Multiplication and Division.